Got a blurry video ruining your perfect moment? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix blurry footage using Winx Video AI. See, here's a side-by-side comparison. On the left, the original blurry video, soft, out of focus, and lacking details. On the right, sharp edges, vibrant colors, and clear definition, all thanks to Winx Video AI, an AI-powered tool to upscale video resolution up to 4K to improve video quality without complex settings. Now, let's walk through how to unblur a video and make it clear using Winx Video AI. First, download and install Winx Video AI. Then, import your blurry footage. Just launch Winx Video AI, click on the Video AI button on the main interface, and drag and drop your video to it. After inference, choose an AI model. The Gen Detail model excels in enhancing videos that require meticulous attention to details like skin, hair, animal fur, architectural textures, etc., while addressing blur and noise issues in bad quality content. Real Smooth is tailor-made for enhancing content with relatively fewer details, such as 2D content, glass surfaces, smooth textures, and line drawings. The Anime model is tailor-made for upscaling and denoising anime and cartoons, and the last model is designed for enhancing and upscaling photorealistic photos of low resolution. Choose High Quality mode for superior visual quality, or Fast mode for rapid speed. Then, you can choose to upscale your video by 2x, 3x, or 4x, or increase video resolution to 1080p, 2K, or 4K. If needed, use frame interpolation to convert video FPS to increase smoothness and stabilization to fix shaky videos. Now, click on the Export settings, choose an Output Video Codec, Quality, and Destination folder. When everything is okay, hit the Run button, and Winx Video AI will start fixing your blurry video. Now, enjoy the freedom to enhance and upscale blurry videos and movies effortlessly with Winx Video AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.